Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to remove Google accounts from your Android device. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily remove your Google account from your device. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to go to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now this is removing your Google account. So if you have logged in so many Google accounts on your device, with this method you can remove them. So this is not deleting your Google account permanently. So go to settings in the first place. Now once you click on settings on your device, scroll to where you can see account depending on the device that you are using, and click on the account you want to remove. Now you can see remove account. Now this is not deleting account, this is removing the account from your device and you can later log in and use it. Please, deleting your account permanently is different from removing your account. So this will not delete your Google account permanently. So just click on remove account, and once you click on remove account you can see removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. So just click on remove account and that's it. So if you have logged in multiple Google accounts on your device, with this method you can remove them and also log in later or anytime you want to log in. Please, this is not permanently deleting your Google account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new